Hey, thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end, share the video, all that kind of good stuff. I really do appreciate it. Um, Not only are my likes and my views and all that stuff messed up now my name of my channel is changing. Without me changing it, it just reverted to an old name. So my channel is going a little bit wacky, but we shall press on. Today I want to look at, let's see, oh, actually I'm on the wrong thing. I want to go look at the VET token. VET, everybody's talking about it, uh, crashing and all that kind of stuff and all that mess. I really don't see it like that. I don't see it really crashing. We've been watching it for on the long time frame here, it's at the lower portion of our channel. We hit it back here in March of 2020. Hit the lower, went up, hit the lower portion of our channel in November 2020. Tapped it again in December 2020. Moved up, made a higher high compared to this one, not to this one, but to this here. Made a higher high, looking good. Fell off. What was that? About 22 cents, I think it was 27 cents, 28 cents, something like that. We fell off. Almost came back down to our lower channel. Hit our lower channel again in July of 2021. Now we're sitting on the lower channel again. I'm actually looking at this as a buying opportunity. Could it fall off? Could it just fall right out the bottom of the channel and be done? It's quite possible. But I'm looking at this right at this moment. I'm looking at this as a buying opportunity. I'm looking for entry levels on a lower time frame. And that's what I'm looking at. So we had these 3 taps on our lower relative strength. We moved up. Relative strength came all the way back down to the bottom. Price is still sitting above these 3 taps. That looks like a little bit of a divergence to me. Looks nice. Going to zoom in here a little bit. We've had a divergence here. That was a hidden divergence, but we've had a divergence here. Price moved lower. Relative strength stayed higher. Again, we're sitting on the lower level of that channel. What I'm looking at here is quite possibly moving up, coming back down, tapping it. That would give us our other arm for a channel. Then we'll come up here. I think we're going to move up, quite possibly make a flag or something like that. All right, I'm going to flag out. Flag out for a move higher. It's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Is it going to follow this exactly? I don't know. Right? I'm just going to use this to measure, but I think we're going to see a head and shoulders right here. Right? I think we're going to have like a little bit of a head and shoulders right here, and then we're going to go from there. Right? We're going to see how it goes. It's hard to call altcoins. Bitcoin's easier to tell exactly where it's going to be at a certain specific time because, it's like the difference between trading stocks and trading mutual funds, right? The stock, you can kind of base it off of that individual stock's performance. Mutual fund is kind of hard to call because you've got too many variables. So, and at this point, everything follows Bitcoin. So we're going to kind of look at like this. And this is what I'm looking for. Looking for a little head and shoulders pattern building here, forming here, and then we're going to move up from there on the daily chart. Relative strength needs to stay higher on this 3rd tap down. Relative strength will move up, come down, have that 3rd tap, and then we'll move up from there. Something like that, right? Okay. So, I'm bullish on VET, right? I'm bullish on VET. Look, everybody wants to complain about it being in China and stuff. Well, hell, that's where the stuff is made at, right? When all your products are made in China, I mean, VET's a token that tracks product. When your products made in China, then they need to have partnership with China. That's where their business is at. So it doesn't offend me at all. Anyway, let's look at a lower time frame real quick just to see where we're at, what we got. Yeah, see, we got a nice divergence here going on. We've had a little bit of a pullback. Let's see, where is our point of capitulation on a hourly time frame? Is this whatever this is 84 area. So which actually, this is our first arm. That will put us right at our first arm. So that's actually a good thing. I want to see the price stay above this 84 area. This 8, what it is actually 8.4 cents. I want to see it stay above this 8.4 cents. Now let's get rid of this. Let's just hide it. So what I want to see on this is I want to see our relative strength. Right, we can go higher and get into over bought area, which would probably my take profit area in this would probably be right about here, right? That's where my take profit's going to be. Next take profit would be somewhere around here. Actually, let me look at that on a long time frame because I don't want to tell you wrong. So area of capitulation is right about here. Actually, this is where my take profit would be. I can tell you. Trading on a small time frame, that's where my take profit would be. But let's see, what was I saying? Oh, anyway, so if we get over in this overbought area, I want to see if we get there, whether we get there or not. I don't want to see the price fall below this 8.4 cents area. I want to see. I'd like to see it go higher, at least up to here, and then come back down, hit this 8.4, and then get a good bounce off of that, and move up. That would be that's what I'm looking for right now. Is a trade up, then a trade back down, and then take off from there. Is what I'm looking at. So that is what I would like to see. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, somewhere right around there. That would make our neckline. Somewhere right between take profits between 9.7 and 10.3. 9.7 and 10.3 is a take profit area. And then let's see where our relative strength is. Let me delete this real quick. Yeah, see our relative strength is nice and low. Okay, it looks good. I'm bullish on this. I think it's going to move up. So unless I see signs right here that we're moving back down, then I'm bullish on this. The one thing that I would watch is when our relative strength gets to this line here, which will probably correspond with the neckline. So I'm looking for a relative strength to make it back up here, and that will form our neckline right here, and then we'll have our other down, and our other down should break out on the other side. So that's what I'm looking at. So relative strength to this downward trend, price up to our neckline. Okay, y'all are beautiful. I hope your trading's going well, and I will see you next time.